So good morning student, this is lecture number 2, chapter number 5th. We are going to discuss about the divisibility rule today. Okay, so start with the divisibility rule. The first one is divisibility by 2. We will discuss here the divisibility rule with some example also. But instead of writing the divisibility rule, you have to remember these rules, because if you write down, that is not the actual way to use this, and you have to remember. If you have to remember, then definitely these are really beneficial for you. Okay, the first one is divisibility by 2. All the even number are divisible by 2. Even number 2, 4, 6 ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. The last number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, like this. Okay. If the last digit is even 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, then the number is divisible by 2. This is very simple. So second one is divisibility of 3. Last digit, we have to check the last digit. If this is the last digit even, then it is divisible by 2. So question number 1 is, which of the following number are divisible by 2? Then you have to pick out the number which are divisible by 2. This is your homework, okay? In your homework register, not in your fair copy. Second one is divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3, just we have to check out this number, okay? 2, 4, 6 is divisible by 3 or not. We have to just calculate the sum of the digit. Sum of digit is 2 plus 4 plus 6. If the sum of digit is 6 plus 4 plus 3, 12. Again you can find out the digit. If it is big number, then you can find out the number 2 plus 1, 3. So if you find out the number after the addition in the table of 3, then it is divisible by 3, otherwise not. Just check out this number 244. So this is divisible by 3, okay? 244. 2 plus 4 plus 4, 10. Okay, 2 plus 4 plus 4, 10. Again 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 is not in the table of 3. So this is not divisible by 3. Now third one, just we have to check this. 9322. 9322. The third number is marker. 9322. Just add all the digits. How much? 16. Then again add 1 plus 6, 7. 7 is not in the table of 3, so it simply cancel. Okay. So I think there is now clarity about the divisibility rule of 3. One more example. Seven four five three four one. 745341. You have to note down all these in your fair copy and the exercise 5A in your homework copy, okay? First, digital sum. 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1. 11, 5, 16 plus 4 plus 4, 24. So 24 is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 in the table, so this is divisible by. Okay. Now move to the divisibility rule of 4. The divisibility of 4 is not given, but I will discuss because important. For divisibility of 4, if the last two digits digits are divisible by 4, divisible by 4 or 0 0. If last digits are 0 0, then this is also divisible, right? So taking some example, first one 96344. So last two digit 44. 44 is divisible by 4 because 4 11 ja 14. Okay, so this is divisible by 00, divisible by 4. This is not divisible because 62 is not divisible by 4. Okay. This is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, because last two digits are 00. We have to take just last two digits. Okay. Now yes, 56. 14 for just 56. Okay. Next, divisibility of 5. The divisibility rule of 5 is very simple. If the last digit is divisible by 5, the last digit is 5 or 0. If the last digit is 5 or 0, then divisible by 5. 0, 5, 0, 2, 4. Okay. Now taking the divisibility rule of 6, not in your book. For 6, if a number is divisible by, okay, you have to remember, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. Let us take example. First of all, we have to check out the divisibility of 2, means the number must be even number. For divisibility of 6, the number must be an even number. Okay. Then second was the digital sum of the number must be in the table of 3. Okay. So let us take an example. The first one is even. Yes, the number is even, so divisible by 2. Now second, digital sum 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4, 24. So digital sum is 24, it means divisible by 3 also. So if number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then number is divisible by 6 also. So number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now second example. Check out this. The digital sum of the number 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. How much? This is 15. Number is divisible by 3. Yes. But number is not divisible by 2. So number is also not divisible by 6. Number is not divisible by 6 also. Okay. Because number is must be divisible by both. Here number is odd number. So this is not divisible by 6. Take one more example. First, the number is even, means divisible by 2. Digital sum is 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. This is 24. 22. 22. So not divisible by 2. So number is not divisible by 6. Okay, I think the divisibility rule of 6 is clear now. Okay, now divisibility rule of 7. This is very, very important, and this is not in your book also. So there is important fact is that the definition is not much important, because how we can find out the number is divisible by 7 or not? First, double the unit digit. Okay, double the unit digit, then remaining part is 78. 78 minus double of unit digit, that is 8. 70. If 70, the remaining number is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Okay, first of all, unit digit, double of unit digit 8, and the remaining part of the number is 78. Subtract this number from the 78. If the remaining number is divisible by 7, then number is divisible by 7. Again, one more example. 7 to the 14, remaining part is 8, 5, 6, 8. 7 to the 14, 14 minus how much? 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 5, 8. Again, this is big number. Okay, so if we have large number, then again 4 into 2, then remaining part is 855. 4 into 2, subtract 4 into 2 from this number, this become 847. Okay, 847. Again 847. Okay, these are different type of number. Okay, you can find out the number is divisible by 7 or not by using this method. Okay, 847 means 7 into 2. 7 into 2 means 14. So 84 minus 14, that is 70 again. So 70 is divisible by 3. So number is divisible by 7. In this part, because number is large, so you have to follow this first step, second step, and third step. Then you can find out the number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay. Okay. Now digital rule of 8, similar to 4, digital rule of 4. Here you have to check out the 3 digit instead of 4, in which we have checked the last 2 digits. Here you have to check 3 digit. Okay. 3 digit, last 3 digit or 000. If last 3 digit divisible by 8 or the number ends with 30, then divisible by 8, otherwise no. The first example is 30, so directly number is divisible by 8. Okay. Second one, 664. We have to check out the 664 is divisible by yes or no. 8 8 is 64. 2 4 24. Okay, so 8 3 is 24. So number is divisible by. And this is 648. 648. 648 divisible by 4, 8 directly. Why? Because 8 8 is 64 and 8 1 is 8. So all the 3 numbers are divisible by 8. Okay, now very simple, I think. Okay, so first one, now the divisibility of 9. If this same as the divisibility of 3, the digital sum is in the table of 9, that number is divisible by. First check out the digital sum. 5 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1, that is 18. So number is divisible by 9. Second one, 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2, 27, number is divisible. Last one, 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0, 24, number is not divisible by 9. Last one is divisibility of 10. So very simple, last digit is 0. So you have to solve the exercise 5b. That is very simple. And in all the digital rule you have to write down in your fair copy with the example, and all the and exercise 5b you have to solve the exercise 5b in your homework register. And if you want one more, that is divisibility rule of 11. Okay, we will discuss next time the divisibility rule of 11. So thank you so much, and do the exercise 5b in your homework register. Thank you.